says whatever. This is test review, whatever you call it. Oh, Vietnamese? Why are you Vietnamese? I'll have you know, I'm highly intelligent. Nobody believes that. No. My mother told my morning class I have an IQ of 151, which is quite good. And then I came to Mr. Sadler, why don't you like on the moon then or something? So I'm gonna let them. Okay, enough of my problems. Okay, here we go. Solve from 0 to 360. 4 sine 3 theta minus 12 equals 1. Okay, you will see something like this again tomorrow for sure. Okay, what do we solve that? Yeah, I know you know how to do that. I think we yeah. Jake, up to you. Jake. Okay. Jake, up to you. Here we go. First step to get theta by itself is what? Yeah. So it's going to be sine 3 theta minus 12 degrees equals negative 1/4. Jared, all the way in the back. Give me the next step, please. Okay. So we're going to say 3 theta minus 12 degrees equals sine inverse. All right. Negative 1/4. Okay. Jared, you get an angle for that, please.
I got negative 14.
Negative 14.4. Okay, so we confirm that, and I'll say I don't trust him.
Yes.
Good. Okay, there's 2 ways we can do this. Okay, we can either go left, right, or top down. I'm going to go to the right. Keep my notes consistent. On the right-hand board, what are we up to, Adam? What's the next angle going to be over here so we can sign? The second angle is sign. Oh, somebody help him. If we're using sine, the first angle is theta, what's the other one? 180 minus. You will need, this is the only thing you need to memorize in this unit. So the idea is whenever you do sine inverse, it's going to be 180 minus, cos inverse is 360 minus 10, theta equals 180 plus. That's like Castro, that's all that stuff. I could theoretically make you prove that too. Okay? But we'll see if I do that or not. Okay? I'm not, tomorrow's an easy test, you guys. I want you guys to do well. Be happy with yourselves. Okay, on the left-hand side, Garnet, can you do the next step, please? Over here. Right? Okay, very good. So this turns into theta minus 12. I can't do that in my head. Negative 4 point something. 8. 4.8, we'll call that. Okay, and this turns into 3 theta minus 12 equals 194.5. Can you also divide that with 3.2, please? Okay. Just algebra so far. Harry, are you okay with this? Oh, okay. Any questions so far? This is a fundamental thing you will need to do a lot of on the test tomorrow. Yes?
I'm pretty sure theta minus 12 equals negative 1.6.
So we confirm that for me?
Well, negative 14.5.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think you might have 4.5, you might have not.
Oh, I put 4.8, that's fine.
All right, cool. Who are we up to? Jenna, can you solve for theta on the left and theta on the right, please?
2.4.
This one here?
No, it's not. I don't know. I am actually. I'm at 7.2.
So I hope you're a teacher on Monday. All right, now, for Joe and everyone else, is theta equals 7.2 okay? This looks low, but I'm going to put a check mark beside it. What I'm also going to do, Jenna, you're not going to look at, I apologize. Can you also add 12 to 64?
76.8. Jared, shut up.
Okay, Jared, I'm not going to tell language on the internet. I'm going to say, please allow everyone the chance to give the full solution. Okay. 76.8, that also is okay because it's in chat. Now, Melanie, it's up to you. We need many more answers. Do you remember how we get more answers? Add the period. Excellent. Now for the difficult part. Liam, you get the most difficult question of all. What is the period of this cursed function? How'd you get 120?
I divided 360 by k.
Very good. So the period is going to equal, excellent, by the way, 360 over k, which is 360 over 3, which is 120. Now in this case, it's going to be a nice angle. When we get to the word problems, you do it like, you know, every 8 seconds repeating it with weird numbers, right, for the period k and all that stuff. It's going to be nice. So all I'm going to do here is I'm going to add 120. And I'll do these addings. And I get theta equals 127.2, which I'm happy with. And here I'm going to call this 196.8, which I'm also happy with. Okay. This is open to anybody here right now. How many answers should I have, and why, and why, and why, and why? Joe, how many answers?
Both sides. You create that back and cover
Okay.
It's behind side.
Yeah, 3 for each side, very good. Basically, you're thinking here, it's going to be whatever your k is, right? There's 3 for each side. So you're going to have 2 answers from 0 to 120, 2 from 120 to 240, and then 2 from 240 to 560. So 5. Thank you. 2 from 240 to 360. Yes. Very good. So the comment was that's only from 0 to 360. If I was mean and I said solve from 0 to 1000, you do a whole bunch of answers, right? You do, that's only from 0 to 360. Yes.
Just think of it like just like that. Draw a line.
Yes. And if you're very good, and that's, you remember when I did the taught this the first time too, I did draw the graph, right? It was like math. For tomorrow, I can't remember it last year. I'm gonna take a look at the test again. Anyway, the point is for tomorrow, I don't want you to spend a huge amount of time. That's just be one tricky question. So the point is I'm trying to stay after all this, I gotta add the period again. Okay? Yeah, Amy? No. Now, this is what people are asking. When do you use the 180 minus? This is the key to this stuff. Not this one. Everyone did not get it. Nate. Sorry, if he doesn't get it, from Nate, go. Very good. Whenever you do sine inverse, that's the only time you do the 180 minus. Like you don't do 180 minus this angle. You don't do 180 minus anything else. It's only when you do sine inverse that you do solutions. That's it. That's the only time. So then I do plus 120. It should turn to 247.2, which is still good. And then plus 120, which happens to be 316.8. Still good. Okay, now Jared and Joe have told me there's only 6 solutions. How could I check if I was really key? All right, go ahead. Yeah, so if I add 120 again here, I should hopefully get 367.2. Why am I not happy with that?
It's over 360.
They're not too big. How are we feeling about this? I'm going to hit pause. When I say pause, I mean, whoops, why is that there?